Chapter 2. Characteristics of a Constitution. What is a constitution? A constitution is the fundamental legal framework that sets out how a state is governed. It defines the structure of government, allocates powers among different institutions, and establishes the relationship between the state and the individual. Constitutions serve three main purposes: establish government institutions, define and limit powers, protect fundamental rights. Key characteristics of a constitution. 1. Separation of powers. A constitution distributes power between the executive, legislature, and judiciary to prevent the concentration of authority in one body. This promotes accountability and prevents abuses of power. 2. Supremacy of the Constitution. In some legal systems, for example the USA, the Constitution is the supreme law of the land. No other law can contradict it. In the UK, constitutional principles are derived from Parliament, which is sovereign. 3. Fundamental rights protection. Most modern constitutions protect individual rights, for example, freedom of speech, right to life. These rights are often entrenched and difficult to amend. In the UK, many rights are protected by statute, for example, Human Rights Act 1998, for rule of law. A constitution ensures that all public authorities operate under the law and legal remedies are available when public bodies act unlawfully. 5. Accountability and legitimacy. A good constitution outlines mechanisms for holding government accountable, such as elections, judicial review, and parliamentary scrutiny. 6. Entrenchment. Some constitutions are entrenched, meaning they require special procedures to be amended. For example, the US Constitution requires a two-thirds majority in Congress and ratification by states. The UK Constitution, however, is flexible, as Parliament can change constitutional principles through ordinary legislation. 7. Codified versus uncodified. A codified constitution is written in a single document, for example, France, USA. An uncodified constitution is not contained in one single document but found in various sources, for example, the UK. UK context. The UK constitution is uncodified, no single document. Flexible, it can be changed by a simple act of Parliament. Parliamentary sovereignty. Parliament can make or unmake any law. Developed through practice, conventions play a key role. Judicial interpretation. Courts influence its evolution through decisions. Chapter summary. A constitution outlines how power is exercised and limited. Common characteristics include separation of powers, protection of rights, rule of law, accountability, and entrenchment. Constitutions may be codified or uncodified. The UK has an uncodified, flexible constitution built on statutes, common law, conventions, and authoritative works. So next time someone says the UK doesn't have a constitution, you can tell them it's just not your average one-size-fits-all.